After the treble high pass, we wanted to move on to the bass low pass filter. So remember, that is the inverse of the high pass. We want to pass low frequencies and block high frequencies. To do that, we just flip the circuit topology. We have a series resistor with a shunt capacitor. Our cutoff frequency target for the bass filter was 500 hertz, so we have a series resistor of 330 right there. And that capacitor that you're seeing right there is our 1 microfarad shunt cap. So we got a series cap, or series resistor shunt cap right there. I've moved the output of the circuit over to the output of that filter. So again, I'm using the Agilent here. I've got it set to our target cutoff frequency of 500 hertz. I come over here and I look at my scope waveform, and I see it actually a little bit high right now. I've got an input waveform of 100 millivolts and my output is 80 millivolts. So it looks like my cutoff frequency is quite a bit different than what I designed for there. So you can see if I increase the frequency, I can get that voltage and amplitude to start dropping. So now I'm at 70 millivolts-ish right there. So it looks like the cutoff frequency of our low pass filter is actually closer to 700 hertz. I'm at 690 right now, so a little bit off from the target value from the components that I used right there, but I don't think it'll be a big deal for our circuit function. So we want to verify low pass behavior. So if I drop the input frequency, the magnitude should increase. So let's go down to like 200 hertz or something, adjust our oscope so we got enough visualization there. So you can see at low frequency at 140 hertz, we got plenty of voltage amplitude. Now I'm going to crank the frequency up to 2 kilohertz or something like that, and you can see the voltage amplitude of the output waveform has dropped quite a bit. And if I go up, even more, we can just watch it drop basically to nothing. Adjust that so that we can get some. Yeah, there we go. So that looks pretty good. So now we're pretty much at nothing, so we're verifying the operation of the low pass filter, because at high frequency it blocked the signal and only passed the low frequency signals with a cutoff frequency, about 700 hertz.